How to schedule Instagram posts. In today's video, I will guide you through all the steps. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Instagram app. Then go to Profile by tapping here in the bottom right corner. Tap on this plus icon. Now choose what you want to upload. Like I want to upload posts, so I will select this third option. And a new page will appear like this, from where you can select what you want to post. If you want to upload multiple pictures or videos, then press here and select like I am doing. Once done, press next here. Add songs. Do further settings and press next. Press more options. Enable schedule this post. Select the date and time on which you want to upload your post, like I'm scheduling for Saturday, March 28, 12 a.m. Press done. Go back. Finally press on schedule, and our post will be scheduled. Moreover, if you want to change time or want to edit or delete your post, simply tap on these three lines here. Here, search for scheduled content. And you can customize from here. That's it, guys. Found helpful? Then leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.